What's up, family? Ever since publishing my complete manifestation manual, you've inboxed me with your questions about your manifestation process. So what I'm doing is answering each question on video so others can benefit from it as well. Here we go. Question number 1 is from Janet. I've been trying to manifest for weeks now and nothing is happening. I've held the vision of my desire in my mind while manifesting it, and now it's getting frustrating after so many weeks with no progress. What am I doing wrong? Okay, Janet, I'm sorry to hear that you're frustrated, but I believe I have a solution for you. Check this out. It sounds like you're trying to manifest from the vision of your manifestation or the vision of your desire alone. When manifesting, you have to feel what you are visualizing. If your desire includes excitement or relaxation, you must add the feeling of excitement or relaxation to the vision of that excitement and relaxation. Manifesting from visualization alone won't work. So you also said you're frustrated. Adding frustration to your vision will manifest more frustration. Frustration is tension. Tension blocks the energetic flow of your electromagnetic field. I too was frustrated when I was manifesting through my nervous tic disorder and through my Tourette syndrome that I once had. It wasn't until I relaxed and things started to happen for me. So Janet, I suggest you incorporate the feeling of your vision, release the frustration, and breathe. That should work for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your question. Be well, stay blessed, and as always, through love, be a blessing. God bless.